Hi, I got a box from Sportlampa and it has a few flashlights in it. Let's see. What I got. Interesting. Okay. What's this? Ultrafire. Interesting. So here is an Ultrafire something laser flashlight combination, and headlamp. Oh, I think it's something old grey copy LED and office copy swinging head. I was told this is a new Boruit headlamp with USB charging. Interesting. Okay, move on to the next one. Ta-da! A Sofirn SP70. It's big. It's really big. Okay, Sofirn. And the last one, Manker MK39 Ranger. Sorry, but it's not easy with one hand. Wow. I really wanted Ranger for a long time. It's a very good balance. So let me help to decide which one do you want the first review on the channel. The Manker or the Sofirn or the, I don't know what kind of Ultrafire thing, or the Boruit headlamp. Please leave in the comments which one do you want to review first, and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.